How to replace a boiling water cartridge. Before undo to your tap. Turn off the boiler. Run the boiling water out. Shut off the water supply. Tool required. We need an Allen key, a screwdriver, a socket wrench with 19 mm socket. First we'll remove the handle. At the back of the handle there is a grub screw. And we need an Alleny key to unscrew it. Then we can remove the handle. On the top of the teeth there is a small screw. We'll use a screwdriver to unscrew it. Now we take the teeth off. Then we'll remove the red plastic ring. Use a socket wrench to unscrew the cartridge. Remove the old cartridge. Now we can install a new cartridge. Replace it and fix it with the socket driver. Then we replace all the components we have removed one by one. Replace the red ring back. Mind this positioning gap. Replace the teeth back and fix it. Now we can put the handle back. Then screw up the grub screw. Try the handle if it works well. Then you can turn on the boiler and shut on the water supply.